What's going on, bass kickers? It's your boy Bass Kicker here, back with another vid, and today we are going to be brown trout fishing at the creek again. That's right, we got another fishing trip coming your way, and we are going to be using some worms. First of all, we're going to stop over at Sportsman's Warehouse or Walmart and pick up some worms. I'm not really sure which one, but all I know is I'm bringing you guys down to the creek with all the action. Exact same place I went, the exact same creek I went for a couple more of my videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the bighorn video. I'm probably going to get smashed with that. I still have to check it. But let's get down there and see what we can do. Let's do it. Alright, y'all. So we have made it to the spot. Here I am fishing today. Sorry, guys. My GoPro mount has broken. So we are going to be using a night crawler. I'm going to prop it up right here on my tackle box, man. So we are going to be catching some fish. I can just feel it. First cast. Throw it right in there. Tighten up my line a bit. Set down my rod and wait for a hit. I'm actually pretty excited, I'm not going to lie. But here's my rod right here. If you guys do not see, I'll pick some grass over here so you guys can see it better. Let's see, where's that blade of grass I'm seeing? Alright, it is right there. It's right here. Just so you guys know, I'm going to be getting hits pretty soon here, hopefully. And we're just going to wait here, and I'll get back to you the second I'm getting hit. Alright, guys, we have a fish right. Got him! Alright, guys, we got one right here. Got him! Oh, nice brown! Oh, shoot. I thought he was a brown at first. Sucker. Come here, bud. I knew it was good. Dude, I had a feeling that my first fish was going to be a sucker, you know what I mean? You know? Oh, gosh. Just gotta unhook this guy. Alright, guys. First fish of the day. We right here have a white sucker fish. As you guys can see, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with these, but they have these little organs right here that actually help them detect fish. So, beautiful fish. Let's get him back into the water. See you, bud. Alright, let's get our rods back out. Alright, guys, we are going to cast right, simply right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set down my rod just like so and just wait for a hit, and I'll get back to you the second we have one. Alright, guys, we have apparently another nice hit. I just had one. Come up and grab it. We're just waiting for him to take it again. Is he still on there? No. Here, I'm just going to tighten the line and wait for just a second to see if he comes back. Waiting. Waiting. That looked like a brown hit too, the one that hit. Alright. I think we might move spots here. Alright, guys, we are back at another spot. I'm just about to drop my worm in here. The rod's going to be set up right here. Gotta get that out of the way. Let's see if we can't catch one here right this second. I'm pretty sure, and I got a dang good feeling today, guys, so let's see if we can't catch one. Set our rods down. I think the current will take care of the slack. Alright, guys, there we go. And ooh, something holding it? Ooh, something holding it? No. Alright, guys, I'll get back to you the second we're starting to get bites. Alright, guys, we may have ourselves a bite. It's like my rod tip's moving. So pick it up. Oh, dang it. If I had one, he's gone now. I think I might rebait my worm. Alright, guys, so what I did was I just dropped it right off the bank. Right here. Is that a bite? Oh, that can't be a bite. Just a sec. Nah. But I just dropped it right off the bank. Wait for a hit here. Just a second, that might be a bite. might move spots here. Alright guys, we have made it to another spot here, and looks like I got a good spot to set up my rod pit in this little tributary, and we're going to see if we can't get at least a bite, because this looks pretty dang good. So just throw our rod in. Let's see if we can't get a bite. Alright guys, we might be getting bites here on my ugly stick rod. Oh, no. Not a bite. Still have a piece of worm. I'm going to see if I can't cast it in. There we go. Let's see if we can't get one now. I'll get back to you guys, see if we can't get one. Alright guys, we are getting bites right now. Ooh, I got one. Oh, it popped off. I had him. Alright guys, next cast here, I'm going to see if I can't get this fish. He bit that hook. Oh god, there's 2 mosquitoes on me at once. Alright guys, we are definitely getting hits on this rod. I'll get back to you guys a second. The bites start picking up. See you guys in a minute. Alright guys, I am getting big bites by mosquitoes and fish. It looks like. So I'm just going to pick up my rod very slowly. Oh yeah, he's on. Big sucker. Alright guys, second fish of the day. Hey Nate, check that out. Second one of the day. Alright guys, we have our second fish right here of the day. Looks like another one of the suckers. Here, I'll get them out for you guys so you guys might be able to see. Now, that right there, oh, hooked myself. Out. That right there is another beauty white sucker. I'm actually fishing for browns, so this isn't very helpful to me. So I'm just going to go ahead and let him go. There you see, bud. But let's see if we can't actually get a brown. That's my goal. Alright guys, we've made it. Alright guys, I already know that I'm in bed right now, by the way. I already know you guys are probably going to say, I'm already editing this video, by the way. I know you guys are probably going to say that sucker fish are garbage fish. Yes, they are. I was trying to fish for trout, but as you guys seen in that footage, all that was really biting, and even as the title of this video, it was a sucker feeding frenzy. So, thank you guys for so much watching this video. Please like, subscribe, smash that like button. See you again on the next video. Thanks for watching.